Welcome back to the Middle of the Magic Travel YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue our series on resort reviews and room tours. This past December, I had the opportunity to stay with my family at Disney's newest resort, Disney's Riviera Resort. This resort is a Disney Vacation Club property, DVC, but don't worry, even if you're not a DVC member, you can still book these rooms with cash through Middle of the Magic Travel. So let's check it out. So when you arrive to the Riviera Resort, you are greeted by this great entry space. There is a hidden Mickey up in the chandelier lights there. I don't know if you saw it before. And there are these wonderful fountains and pools on either side of the walkway bridge to get into the main lobby. There's that hidden Mickey that I was talking about before. There's that welcome home over the door, which I always love. It's just a reminder that Disney feels like home. To a lot of people, it is your home. And I love that welcoming reminder as you walk through the door. The lobby at the Riviera is a little bit small. It's definitely a smaller scale lobby than maybe the Wilderness Lodge or Animal Kingdom Lodge. And when you get there, what's unique about it is that the cast members who are checking you in or helping you with concierge will call you from a queue that they make through iPads. So you don't actually stand in line, they sort of find you in the lobby as you're waiting. There are some really unique things about this resort. One of them is that they have some great unique merchandise. Another thing I love is that there is beautiful Disney artwork throughout the resort. There's some Italian movie posters, great theming. One of the most beautiful pieces of artwork is this archway that is mosaic tiled. There's two of them. One of them is Peter Pan themed, and the other one is Rapunzel Tangled themed. And you'll find those archways as you're walking around the resort outside. So let's check out the rooms. So we stayed in a deluxe studio villa. This room type is just one room, and so all the beds are in that one room, but it also does have a kitchenette. And this villa had a split bathroom, which was really unique as well. So when you come in the door, there's sort of this nook, we called it, with the closet and where it attaches to the adjoining room. We didn't have anybody that we were adjoining with, so we used that part for the stroller. Then you head into the split bathroom. The split bathroom has a single room with a shower and a toilet. This shower was super nice. You can't see it really in the video, but it has this big bench in the back where you could kind of just like relax. It had a wonderful rainfall shower head. We really enjoyed taking showers in this bathroom. Between all of these are pocket doors, so you can separate off the bathroom in a lot of different ways, which is great for different size families. This part of the bathroom had the tub, and that also had two shower heads, which was great for kids. And then the vanity, just a single sink, and the mirror. So we like this bathroom a lot. Worked for us well. Next is the kitchenette part of the room, which I thought was styled really beautifully, nice and modern, updated appliances. It has a mini fridge, a coffee maker, a microwave, and then just some basic things you'd need to make snacks or microwave popcorn. This part of the room is where the beds are. There are two different size pull-down beds, but we'll talk about those in a minute. This is the more permanent bed. It is a queen size. We really enjoyed the mattress on this. It was a really nice bed. It is raised in the back so that you can put your luggage underneath, but it also has these drawers to store clothing. This is one of the twin size pull down beds. It does say it can sleep an adult. This room does sleep 5. We had our little guy sleep on this one. The room is just beautiful. All the details, the touches, the styling, very European, very modern, very clean. We really, really enjoyed the amenities of this room. There's a nice balcony that had a couple chairs on it and some really pretty Mickey details in the ironwork. Our room looked out onto the back of the resort and onto Caribbean Beach Resort in the distance, which was a really nice view. This was just a standard view though, nothing special that we paid extra for, so it was sort of nice. So back to the beds. This is the child-size pull-down bed in the room. It's very easy to pull down. I'm doing it one-handed here, and it has the sweetest tangled background inside and a little light that turns on, but you can turn it off while the child's asleep. I loved the artwork in here as if Rapunzel did it herself. This is the other pull-down bed in the room, and my children love these. They call them the secret beds, and so the fact that there were 2 secret beds in the room was great for our family. This is a full-size queen bed that pulls down above the couch, and it also has artwork behind it. This one was 101 Dalmatians, which is very cute. And like I said, a full-size queen bed, a full mattress, not a couch bed pull-out. It's a real mattress. And so if you had 2 adults that needed a second bed in the room, this would be perfectly suitable for them. The resort also had some really unique leisure opportunities. So they had a full bocce court, which my kids found to be a really fun novelty, and we spent some time out there enjoying that option. The resort actually had a few different games that you could play on the lawn. One was this Connect 4. They also had a big chessboard that we didn't end up having time for, but it was really neat. So an important part of any Disney resort is the pool area, and the Riviera Resort has a pretty good feature pool. It has a big water slide that is winding and fun. It looks out onto Caribbean Beach Resort, which is a nice setting for the pool area. They also have pool games and pool party time, which I know a lot of people like that. Our family definitely does. The cast members do such a great job. The water slide is fun, and it includes going up sort of a twisting staircase up into the top of this tower, and then the water slide spins around the tower out the bottom. Just next to the feature pool is the Sivu Play water play area, which has a kids' water playground with a lot of splash areas and some water guns, water cannons, and these smaller slides for little kids. It is themed to Fantasia, which is really, really cute. They did a great job on the theming here. You can see the hippos and the mushrooms. They're just really sweet, and the area is really well themed for kids that are in that sort of 10 and under age group. In my opinion, though, the real reason to stay at the Riviera is the access to the skyliner. We loved riding on the skyliner. It is so easy to get to Epcot or Hollywood Studios or Caribbean Beach Resort if you want to eat there and visit that resort, or also Pop Century and Art of Animation. It really connects all 4 of those resorts and also those 2 theme parks and makes things really, really convenient. We found ourselves heading out to Epcot pretty regularly at night, even if we weren't planning to, just to grab a couple hours, because it's just so simple with the skyliner right there. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Riviera Resort and our room. Stay tuned for a future video where we will review our character breakfast at Topolino's Terrace and see all the delicious food and the experience that we had there. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Middle of the Magic Travel channel.